How's it going, guys? Voodoo Stache here. What I want to talk with you guys today about is one of the biggest movements I see neglected all across the board is our rolling patterns. As a baby, the biggest move they make is when they very first roll over. That's actually the first time your core turns on and it connects your upper and lower halves. That's also where you learn how to be on a single leg balance or a single axis. So as we roll over, that's what we're working on. A lot of people struggle with this because their core doesn't connect properly. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you a few ways of helping you to progress your way through that to get better and better at rolling. The better that you roll, the more stable your body will be, the more connected it'll be, and the better your balance will become in single leg positions as well. So we're going to start off from here. We're going to start off here lying on our backs. So arms are on the floor, legs are on the floor here. Step number one, we're going to work on rolling with our legs only. So my arms are dead, upper body's not doing anything. I'm going to take a deep breath in, and that breath is what's going to connect my upper and lower halves. So once I've taken that breath, I'm going to bring my leg up, and I'm going to reach this leg all the way across my body, reaching it until eventually my upper body flops on over. Now to go back, same thing again. Taking a deep breath in, I'm going to raise that leg up. You should feel this butt cheek working there. And you're going to reach that leg until your upper half falls over, and you flop on over from there. So what I want you to think about as you're doing this is about this line of fascia. So as I'm reaching this line, or this leg, you're going to feel this line of fascia from your toes, all the way up your side, all the way to the top of your body, and that's what's going to connect you to roll you over. So think about making that leg nice and long. Now after the legs are done, you're going to work on with the arms. So deep breath in here, legs are completely dead. This is where everyone wants to cheat. So you're going to pick your head up off the ground, looking at those fingertips, and you're going to breathe out and reach. As I reach, this line here is going to connect my upper and lower half. And as I reach this way, reach, eventually your body will flop on over. Now, if you're getting stuck and you can't roll over from there, what you want to think about is getting your body starting off on that side a little bit more than being flat on the ground. So I'm going to bend this leg up, and I'm going to kind of wedge myself more onto my side here. This leg is not pushing whatsoever. So from here, I'm going to pick that head up, I'm going to breathe that in, I'm going to reach. So the upper half goes first, the lower half follows. As that gets easier, I'm going to scooch this leg further out. I'm going to get this other shoulder closer to the floor, and I'll slowly work my way to make that smoother and smoother. What I see most often happen when people perform this is they'll get to here, they get stuck, their legs will get all tight, their quads turn on, and then they'll flop over. That's your quads trying to take up for your core. So I want your core to do the work. I want those legs loose the entire time. So another way to work on that is shaking your legs loose the whole time. So as you're rolling over, I'm wiggling those legs nice and loose so they're not doing any work. So that's from your back to your stomach. And then from your stomach to your back, same thing. Legs are gonna be nice and loose. I'm gonna look at this hand, and I'm gonna reach until my body flops itself on over. If that's difficult for you and you feel like you're still getting stuck, you're going to use that back knee to help yourself out. So I'll show it from this angle here. So I'm going to pull this knee forward, so it's kind of propping me up going this way. I'm going to watch those fingertips the entire time. I'm going to keep reaching until I flop over. So again, key things on this rolling pattern. Number one, you want to think about your breath. Taking that deep breath in to glue your upper and lower halves together, and then make that line of fascia super long until it connects. So one half of your body goes first, the other half will follow after that. I gotta show you these ones for the leg too. So let's go from here. So if you're having trouble rolling over with the legs, same idea as with the other ones. I can just kind of wedge myself over to the side, so I'm kind of leaning over on here a little bit. Then I can raise that leg up and reach until you flop on over. So again, the more you take yourself away from the floor, or rolling towards the direction you're trying to roll, the easier that gets. So the more you practice this, the more connected the body becomes, the better you'll become in a single leg balance. Again, practice this as often as you can. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know how I can help.